In preparation for the upcoming school year, we want to go into the Twine SIS and uncheck any days that we know that school will not be in session. By default, Twine will mark all days that are included in your marking periods as green with a green checkbox. To uncheck a day, which will mark it as an inactive school day, we want to come to the particular day, and for this example I'm going to choose Thanksgiving, and click the check mark twice so that it turns it into a white box. Usually both days, the day of and the day after Thanksgiving, is a non-school day. So those are the days I know that school is not going to be in session. I'm going to save that for the month of November, and then we see it turns it red. We'll go to the next month for December and say we know that the entire week or 2 weeks for holiday break. We're going to uncheck all of these boxes. We want to do this 1 month at a time because we can't switch months and keep the unchecked boxes. Hit save, and now we have these as non-school days. These green boxes also designate days where attendance should be taken. So if it's an active school day, which also means if you've designated a class where attendance should be taken, it's these days that designate that attendance should be taken for those classes. Hope this helps. Thanks.